Welcome to the data structures class. Today we are going to discuss about AVL tree operations. Okay, in the previous class we have discussed what is AVL tree and what are the rotations we have in the AVL tree. And now let's discuss about the AVL tree operations. So in the AVL tree, see, each and every node will contain a balance factor. That balance factor can be achieved with the help of a difference between the left subtree and a right subtree. So if I want to consider a tree as a AVL tree, so each and every node in the AVL tree must contain either -1 or 0 or 1 as a balance factor. If other than the values, if you have anything, then it can be treated as not a AVL tree. That means it is not a unbalanced, it is not a balanced binary search tree. If it is a balanced binary search tree, then it is a AVL tree. So if you have a values other than 0, 1, -1 as a balance factor for each and every node, or at least one node in the AVL in a tree, then it can be treated as a unbalanced tree. So if I want to convert that unbalanced tree into a balanced tree, I will use the tree rotations. So what are the tree rotations? LL, LR, RR, RL. Okay, in the previous class we have discussed about these 4 rotations. Okay, but the main question is where I have to use these rotations, where I can use these rotations. That is the biggest question. Okay. Let's consider the rotations. As we have discussed, when the tree will become as unbalanced, if I am doing any deletions or insertions, then the tree will become as unbalanced. So let's see which operation done, and if the one operation is done, then what I have to do. Let's see once again. Okay, now I'm discussing about a insertion operation. Okay, for suppose if I am inserting a new node at the left of a left child, as a left of the left child or at the left of a left child, then I can say it is a LL rotation, LL. Or I am inserting a value at the left of a right child, then I will use a LR. Similarly, a right of or right is nothing but RR rotation, right of left is nothing but RN. Okay, maybe it is confusing. Okay, let's see another method. First, after inserting a values, we will whatever called the balance factors you will calculate. Okay, so if any balance factor having 2, if any node contains a balance factor 2 plus 2, plus 2 means the left side is greater. Am I right? Height of left minus height of right. So plus means left side is greater. So if plus 2, any node having plus 2, then immediately I have to check the left child. If any node having plus 2, I have to check the balance factor of that particular left child. If it is also contains a plus 1 value, then I have to use a LL rotation. Otherwise, if it has a -1, then I have to use LR. Okay, if it has a 0, then also I have to use RR. Okay, insertion of a nodes. If plus 2, that means a left side. Plus 2, that means a left side. If I have a value, a balance factor of a node is plus 2, that means left side I have to check. If that left side child contains a plus 1, that means LL. If it contains -1, it is LR. Okay. Now, for particular node, if I have a -2 as a value, -2 means right side. So I have to check the right child. -2 right side. So -2 means right child I have to check. So -2, if it contains -1, RR. If it contains +1, RL. Let's see here. So plus that means LL, left side. Plus LL. Plus minus means right side. Plus means left side. Okay. So plus left. Plus minus left right. So minus left right. Minus plus right left RL rotation. So we can say like if it is insertion, I can use the values like this. Okay, let's move to the deletion. If I want to delete a element from the left subtree, see, if I am deleting a element from the left subtree, then automatically it is decreasing, that means right side is increasing. Okay. So if I am deleting a element from the right subtree, that means it is decreasing, left side is increasing. Okay. So that means left side I have to manage, left side I have to manage. So that's why if I delete a element from the right side, so that means the value of a particular node will become as a +2, will become as a +2. Then what I have to do, I have to check, so plus means check the left subchild, check the left subchild, am I right? In the insertion also I have to do the same thing, plus means left child. So if this left child contains +1, so plus plus ln. If it is minus, lr, plus minus. If it is having 0, it is also treated as a plus, so plus plus ln. So if I delete a element from the right side, that means the right side value is, or right side height is decreasing, left side is increasing. That means I have to use LL LR, left rotations. So L left child, plus means left child. So if it is having +2 +1 LL, +2 -1 LR, +2 0 LL. So same is as in the insertion, but here 0 is extra. If you are deleting, the 0 also is coming extra, this condition is extra. So LL rotation. Now in the same thing, if I delete the value in the left side, that means it is decreasing, right side increasing. So I have to adjust the right side one. So or RN, right side rotations I have to use. So that means the node contains a value -2. So minus means I have to check the right child. If that particular right child contains minus means RR. Okay, minus plus means RN. Now -2 plus 0 means, so minus. Here I am treating it as a minus value. Here I am treating as a minus value, RR rotation. Right? See, if I have a +2 value, I am treating 0 as a plus. So I am taking ln. If I have a -2, I am taking a 0 as a minus value. So here RR rotation. Okay. If it is a left, 0 means left. If it is a right, so 0 means right. Okay. Here like this I have to calculate. So if I insert a value at the left side, LL or LR, right side RR or insertion. If you deletion, if I delete the value at the right side, the reverse, I have to do LL or LR. If I delete the element at the left side, I have to do RL or RR. Okay, let's do the process. Now I want to insert a element. What is the process? So first I have already said the AVL tree is nothing but it is a balanced binary search tree. So first I want to insert a element according to the binary search tree, according to the binary search tree process. After insertion, I have to check a balance factor for each and every node. If the balance factors are not acceptable by the AVL tree, then I have to do the rotations. Otherwise, I don't need to do the rotation. Okay, this is the process. First, I have to insert a value according to the binary search tree. Then after, I have to check the balance factor. After calculating the balance factor, if it is violating AVL tree rotations, then I have to use the rotation. Okay. Now I want to create a AVL tree with these values. Now first 21. So according to binary search tree, first I will create a node. If it is the only node available, then I will make it as a root node. Okay, it is the root node. After that, I have calculated a binary balance factor. Now balance factor is 0 because no left element, no right element. Now I want to insert 26. So already I have a values in the binary search tree, so I have to check the where I have to insert. So 26 is greater than 21, so right side I have to insert. Now balance factor 26 doesn't have any values, any left child or right child, so 0, and 21 has one right child, so 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now it is also a AVL tree. Now I am moving to the 30, so 30 is greater than 26. So 26 right side, if I calculate the balance factors, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now it is not a AVL tree. Now the imbalance is happened at the node 21. Am I right? Node 21. So if you see the 21, so minus 2, minus 1, that means RR, right, RR rotation. Okay. Now according to RR rotation, what will happen? The first right child will become as a root node. Am I right? First right child will become as a root node, that means 26. Now root node, if it contains any right childs, it becomes as a right child, and the root node, old root node will become as a left child. Already we have discussed this in the RR rotation, and I already have done this one, this insertion videos, other video also you can refer there. Okay, now, so if here 26 is the root node, the 21 will become as a left child, 30 will become as a right child. Okay, now after that my tree is like this. After inserting 30, my tree is like this. Now I want to insert 9, so 9 is less than 26 and less than 21. Now I can insert here. If you see the balance factor 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, very good. It is a AVL tree. I can proceed. Now I am going to the 4. If I insert 4 here, see 0, 1, 2. See here I got it. See here I have 2 nodes doesn't applicable for AVL tree. What are the nodes 21 and 26? So first I have to, as I previously explained, first I have to calculate the balance factors from the lowest node to highest node. So if the balance factors happen, not a balance factors happen like this, so first I have to balance the lower levels, then I have to balance the higher levels. First I have to balance the lower levels, then I have to balance the higher levels. So if you see here, now lower level means 21, 9, 4. Okay. Now I have to take a balance or adjust the balance for 21. So 21, 9, 1. So if you see the balance factors, if you see the balance factor 0, 1, 2. Alright. So plus, that means LL rotation. So according to LL rotation, the first left will become as a left child, the left child remain as a left child, and the root node will become as a right child. Root node will become as a right child. So according to that, 9 is root node, 4 left child, 21 right child, 21 right child. Okay. Now if I substitute this particular 21, 9, 4 transformation into the tree, now tree will look like this, 26. So here I am replacing the rotation tree. Here I am replacing the rotation tree. So according to this, 26 has a 9, 4, 21 as a left child, 30 as a right child. Okay. Now if you see the balance factors, okay, it is acceptable. It is AVL tree. After inserting 4, now AVL tree is like. Now 14. So if you see 14, it is less than 21. Okay. If I calculate the balance factors, 0, 1, minus 1, 2. So complete tree I have to do right now. Am I right? So first now I have to do a complete tree. Why? Because the balance factor is happened at the 26. Imbalance factor is happened at 26. So 26 means I have to take whole tree. Okay. Now if you see the 26 plus and 9 minus. So that means a left, right, LR rotation. Left, right. So according to LR rotations, the first left to right child will become as a root node. First left right child. That means 21 will become as a root node. And remaining the left subchilds will become as a left subchild, and 26 the root node will become as a right child. If it has any right childs, it is same as a right child. Okay. Now this diagram will convert into a like this by using a LR rotation. We can compare these trees and these trees. Okay. Now I want to insert 28. Okay. After inserting 14, I have like this. Now I want to insert 28. If you see 28, it is greater than 26, so right side, less than 30, so left side, so 30 left side. Now again, if you calculate here, 26, 30, 28 is imbalance. At 26, I got a imbalance. So that means 26, 30, 28. See, 26 having minus 2, that means right. Next, I have to check the right child. Right child is 1, so left or L, minus 2 plus 1 or L. RL rotation. So according to RL rotation, first right, first left, first right, left. Okay. Now according to this, D will become as a root node. Now if you see, first right, left, 28 is the root node, and whole root node will become as a left child. The right child already will become as a same piece. Okay. Now if I substitute this part into a main tree, so 26, 30, 38, 28 will become as a 30 parent node, 26 left, 28 right child. Now the tree is like this. If you see the values 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. All the values, balance factors are 0. That means it is a AVL tree. It is a AVL tree. Now I'm moving to the next element 18. So now I want to insert 18. Okay. If I want to insert 18, so see 21 less than, so that means left child, 9 greater than, so right child. Next here 14 greater than, so 14 right side. 18 is 14 right side. If I calculate the balance factors, okay, everything is 0, minus 1 or 1. Okay, it is a ABLT. Now next I am moving to the 15. So if I insert 15, so 21 left side, 9 right side, 14 greater than, so right side, 18 less than, so here 18 less than, left side. Now if I calculate the balance factors, see, here I got at 14 I have a imbalance. So 14 means, so 14, 18, 15 in the tree I have to take. If you see here 14 means a minus, 14 means minus. So I have to check the right child having plus value. So that means RL. That means RL. So according to RL, already we have discussed the first left right child, or first right left child. That means 15 will become as the root node, 14 become as the left child, 18 become as the right child. 18 become as the right. So if I substitute this part, so 14, 18, 15 into the tree. So 14, 18 means, so here 15 will become as a root node, 14 left child, 18 right child, 14 left child, 18 right child. So if I calculate the balance factors, okay, and all are equal, minus 1 and 1. So after inserting the 15, now my ABL tree is look like this. My ABL tree is look like this. Now next element, I'm inserting 10. Now if I see 10, 21 left than, left side, 9 greater than, 9 greater than, okay. So that means right side, 15 less than, left side, 14 less than, left side. So I need to insert 10. Now if I calculate the balance factors, now 9 having the imbalance. 9 having the imbalance. So I have to take the complete subtree. So 9, 4, 15, 14, 10, 18. I have to take complete subtree. If you see, now minus 2 means it is right one. So right child plus 1. So that means RL. So same already we are using the RL rotation only. So according to RL rotation, so D will become as a root node. So first right left will become as a root node. 9 will become as a left child. If it has any left childs will become as a left childs only, and these right childs will become as a right childs. And if this particular node contains any left values, it moves to the left subtree. If this particular node contains any left values, it moves to the left subtree. Now finally this subtree will be converted like this. So 14 left childs, 9, 4, 10, right childs 15, 18. Okay. If I substitute this part into a actual tree, so the now this complete tree is converted like this. So if I calculate the values here, okay, everything is 0, minus 1 and 1. It is available. Fine, very good. Okay. Now after inserting 10, the tree is look like this. Now I want to insert 2. So if I insert 2 means, so 21, 14, 21 left side, 14 left side, 9 left side, 4 left side. Okay, here I can insert. Now if I calculate the values, see 21 has a higher value. Okay, so that means imbalance value. So I have to change complete tree. Now if you check, so 21, that means plus value. So I have to check the left subtree. Left child contains 1. So that means left. So I have to use LL rotation. So according to LL rotation, so first left child will become as a root node. This remaining complete left subtree will become as a left subtree. So if in a LL rotation, first left child will become as a root node. If it has any left childs, this left childs will become as a left child for that particular node. Now root node will become as a right. If that root node having any right subtree, it become as a right subtree. Now this particular node, the left we are moving to the root node. If it is having any right subtree, it is moved to the right subtree as a left child. Okay, right subtree, left child. Now if I convert this tree into a balanced tree. Now it will be look like this. Now once again let's see, according to LL, first left will become as a root node. So 14, if that 14 have any left childs, it remain as a left child. Okay, so 9, 4, 2, 10, as it is it will become. Next, root node will become as a right child. If that root node having any right childs, it become as a right child for that particular root node. Now we are moving 14 to the root node. So if this 14 contains any right subtree, I have to move this one to the right child. Why? Because 14. So here 14 right side means these are the greater values. Now I am converting 14 into a root node. So that means these should be moved to the right subtree. Am I right? So right subtree, left child. Right subtree, left child. Okay. Now like this it will happen. Now after inserting a value 2, my tree is like this. Okay, it is a AVL tree. So I can move on. Now I want to insert 3. If you see the 3, 14 less, 9 less, 4 less, 2 greater. So here I have to insert. Now if I calculate the values, see here 4 and 9 having a imbalance. So as I previously explained, so first I have to balance the lower values. So that means 4, 2, 3 I have to adjust. So if you see here the values left and right. Am I right? Left and right. 2 minus 1 left, LR rotation. Okay. Now according to LR rotation, so first left right will become as a root node. First left will become as a root node, and root node will become as a right child, left subtree will become as a left subtree. So 3 is the root node, 2 is left child, 4 is the right child. Okay. Now if I substitute this one into this tree, this part, this rotation, if I substitute into the main subtree, now tree will be look like this. So after this RL rotation, now tree is like this. So after inserting a 3, now after rotation, the tree should be like this. Okay. Now if you see, all the values are 0, 1, minus 1. So it is a AVL tree. Now let's insert a 7. Let's insert value 7. Now if I insert a 7, so 14 left side, 9 left side, 3 right side, 4 right side. Now if I again calculate, here I have a imbalance. At 9 I have a imbalance. Okay. Now 2, 1, that means L. Sorry, it is a LR rotation. Okay, it is a minus 1. Okay, now it is a LR rotation. Okay, now I have to use LR rotation. According to LR rotation, now tree should be like this. So 4, first left, right. 4 will become as a root child. Now this left will become as a left child, and 9 will become as a right child, and these right childs already will become as a right childs. If it has, this new road has any right childs, it is moved to the right subtree. If I substitute this in the main subtree, now the main tree will be look like this. If I calculate the values, now the values are, you see, the 0, 1 or minus. Now it is a AVL. After inserting the values, now AVL tree is look like this. Okay. Now we have completed a insertion. Now I am moving to the deletion part. Now already we have explained it is a part of a binary search tree. So if I want to delete an element, I have to delete according to the binary search deletion algorithm. What are the binary search deletion algorithm? Type 1, type 2, 3. Either no childs, only one child, 2 childs. Okay, I have to delete according to that. After deletion, I have to check the balance factor. If balance factor is not applicable to according to the AVL tree, I have to do the rotation. Once again, let's review how to choose the values. If I am deleting a value at the right subtree, then that means left subtrees LL or LR rotations I have to do. So 2, 1 LL, 2 minus 1 LR, 2, 0 LL. Okay. Now if I am deleting a value at left subtree means right subtree, right rotations I have to do. So that means minus 2 minus 1 RR, minus 2 plus 1 RL, minus 2 0 RR. Okay. I am considering this AVL tree. Already we have constructed just now. Now I am considering this AVL tree. So from this I want to delete 7. If you see 7, C is the leaf node. So leaf node means type 1. So if it is a type 1, if it is a leaf node, I can directly delete a node from the, After deleting a 7, the tree should be like this. After that, I have to calculate the balance factor for each and every node. So here only 9 balance factor is changed. But if you see, the balance factor of 9 is -1, so there is no need of changes anything. Okay. Now it is a balanced BST, that means it is a AVL tree. Now from this tree, I want to delete 9. So if you see the 9 has one right child, that means it is type 2. So according to type 2, I have to establish a connection between child and parent. So if I delete, see here, if I delete 9 means I have to establish a connection between 10 and 4. After that I can delete a value. Now if I calculate the values, all are in the according to AVL tree. So it is a balanced binary search tree and a AVL tree. So there is no need of any rotations. Now from this I want to delete 21. So if you see that 21 having a left child and right child. So it is means type 3. In the type 3, what I have to do? First I have to find out the replacement value. How to find out the replacement value? Replacement value I can find in a left side or right side. In the left side means greater value, in the right side means lowest value. So from here I am considering the right child. So in the right child, if you see 28, 26, 30. So 26 is the least value. So I have to replace a 21 with 26. So if I replace the values in the main subtree, so 26 and 21. Now here my target is I want to delete 21. See the 21, if I want to delete, it is a leaf node. So that means it is a type 1. So I can directly delete a value. So type 3 should be converted into either type 1 or type 2 by replacing. After that I can delete the value according to my process. After deleting 21, the tree should be like this. If I calculate the balance factor, so all are zeros and -1, so there is no need of any changes. So it is a balanced binary tree, so it is a AVL tree, so there is no rotations required. Now, so again I want to delete 10. So if I delete 10 means here it is a leaf node, so I can directly delete a value. I have deleted a value. Now if I calculate the balance factor, see 4, 3, 0. 4 having a balance factor of 2. So that means this 4, 3, 2 sub 3 is not a balanced tree. So I have to adjust that one. Okay. So according to a deletion process, see balance factor is happened at 4. Imbalance factor is happened at 4. So 4 right side I have deleted. So that means left I have to check. So that means left I have to check. So 2 plus 1, that means 2 plus 1 LL rotation. So if I see the LL rotation, already we have discussed in the previous slides only. So LL rotation means first left will become as a parent node, left will become as a left child, and the parent node will become as a right child. Okay. Now tree should be like this. Now if I substitute it in the main tree, now after deletion of 10 and LL rotation, the tree converted like this. Now so if I calculate the balance factors, all are zeros, ones and -1. So it is a AVL tree. So there is no need of any rotations. Now from this again I want to delete 2. If I delete 2, so it is a leaf node, I can directly delete the value 2. If I delete the 2 and after that if I calculate the balance factors, so there is no need of any rotations. Why? Because all are changed to 1 or -1 or 0. All are changed to 0 or 1 or -1. Am I right? See here, if I delete the 2, only 3 balance factor has been changed. So 3 is changed to the 0 to -1. That means there is no need of any rotations required here. Okay, I can move to the next process. So again I want to delete 4. So if I delete 4, it is again comes under the type 1, so I can directly delete a value. If after deleting a value, now tree is like this. If I calculate the balance factors for this particular tree, Now the balance factors are like this. See, 14 having a imbalance. So if you see the 14 is having an imbalance. So that means 14 having a, I deleted a element. Now I have deleted a element 4. That is a right side of 4. This 4 is a left side of 14. So that means if I have deleted a element from the left side, I have to check the right side. So RR or RL rotations I have to do. See, I have deleted a element at somewhere. 3 right side. I have deleted an element as a 3 right side. But the balance factor imbalance is happened at the 14. So with respect to 14, I have to consider the child. With respect to 14, I have to consider the deletion child. So with respect to 14, the 4 is the left child. Okay, I have deleted an element from the left side. So if I delete the element at the left side, what I have to do? So minus 2 minus 1 means RR, minus 2 plus 1 means RL, minus 2 0 means RR. Okay, now here's minus 2 0, minus 2 right child I have to check, minus 2 0. So that means RR rotation I have to check. According to RR, so first right child will become as a root node. Okay, so and 14 will become as a left child. If it has any left childs, it will become as a left child. So 14 and 3, here 3. Now next at 26 will become as 26 become as a main root, and if that 26 having any right childs or any right subtree, it become as a right subtree, and if that 26 having any left childs, it is moved to the left subtree as a right child, left subtree as a right child. Okay, now finally the tree should be like this. So here in place of 30 you can put a 3. Okay, now so after that my balanced tree is like this. After deleting a 4, my balanced tree is like this. Okay. No, so after deletion of a elements, after insertion of a 26, 20, 39, 4, 14, and after deleting a elements 7, 9, 21, 10, 2, 4, now my AVL tree should be like this. So here in place of 30 you can put a 3. In place of 30 you can put 3. Okay. Now, so these are the operations of a AVL tree. Okay. I hope you understand the topic very well. In the next class we will discuss about a red block.